I'm doing my part.
Oops, I'm dead.
Oh no, Ryan only has 42 seconds to buy the game, install it, and join the lobby.
Oh my goodness, I didn't realize that. I'm so sorry.
Just go ahead.
I don't like using ZXC. Okay, well I quit out.
Okay.
Is there a way I can rejoin you?
No, we're all just
Probably
gonna have
not.
to die.
Ooh, plasma chain.
How did you get a red item already?
There was a big box, and I opened it.
Hey, why are you guys still playing?
What are you talking about?
You have to abandon this run.
No.
Yeah.
No,
out of
no, no.
Okay.
You can't.
Well, I'm gonna go activate the teleporter to that.
No, no.
2
This
shrines.
is because of the red item. I can't
No. It's not good.
You're playing with
2
Red
shrines of the
Red
mountain.
item.
Hey, look at that, 3 colossi. Yeah. I'm dead. Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm coming. Hey.
Hey there.
Hey, why are you a drone?
Because I'm a drone.
Hey,
What?
what's taking so long?
What are you talking about?
Well, I'm dead. I'm just waiting for
What are
Rhea
you
to die.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, let them kill you.
Well, Rhea has a red item, I think. Yeah, Rhea has a red item.
You're gonna choose to play without us just because of this red item.
No.
You're choosing the red item over your family.
No.
I can't believe
No.
you're choosing.
I'm
Yeah,
just gonna chill under
I have to
you.
know what red item I'm being chosen over.
Is the plasma?
It's a
chain.
plasma chain. Chance to
It's
tether
a
yourself
plasma
to an enemy.
That doesn't even sound that good. Maybe if it was Brilliant Behemoth, I'd feel a little bit better.
Oh, she's still going.
Are you alive?
Yeah, I'm alive.
Oh, it revives you.
It revives
Okay.
me.
Okay, I'll die this time. I promise.
Just stand right here.
Okay. I'm sorry. I panic mines.
Whee! Yay!
We all Redward.
I'm ready.
I'm bread.
You're made of bread.
Oh, shite! Oh. I'm dumb.
No, not like this.
Oh. I died.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my drone has a little hat.
Yeah. It's a neat little detail. All the survivors'
Come on.
drones, when they die, they actually look like the survivor who died. Oh, I'm dead.
I'm gonna start the teleporter.
Okay. Oh god. Oh god. That's a lot of damage. No! Don't kill me. Oh, why am I stuck?
Oh my god, Rhea!
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I want to get it so bad.
I think you might still be able to get it, even in drone form.
Ah.
You are the only one alive, Ryan.
What?
Yeah. Sorry.
Don't worry, I'll kill this wandering vagrant for you. Slow and steady.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's the battle of attrition. You really got a strat figured out here, huh?
It's true. He can't stop me. I'm almost done with half of them.
What if it's Juan in the same?
What's Juan doing
That's
here?
true.
No. Get out of here
Oh,
with
good.
a couple items. No one's gonna stop me.
Come on,
Oh,
boy.
I got a couple of items.
You want me to start the teleporter?
Yeah.
Oh, they just
Oh, this-
slammed me into next week, bro.
Why can't I get on top of this? That's gonna cost me. I'm gonna die now. Yeah, here you go.
That's the problem I was having, is like I would try to get on the rope and then I can't.
Whoa, I can be Bandito's burritos now.
Too.
Burritos.
But I can also be you know.
They call me
I've
Chester
been lied
A.
to.
Arthur.
What's Chester doing here?
Chester A. Arthur, man. Why did they all appear? I just wanted to get that one chest. Chester A. Arthur! I'm coming.
Well, you got like a little ball.
Hey,
You got a little chain.
don't judge me for my little danglies.
Hey, it's like your nuts hang low, you know?
Hey, I can hang my nuts how I want to, okay?
Now you understand what it means to have your nuts hang low.
I really do.
Yum.
We got it.
Go, Newman.
Yum.
Sickness.
Oh, Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
That's an infinite.
Oh, God.
Oh,
God.
I can't. Oh god. I just
I'm
want...
trapped.
I'm also trapped.
Here we go again. I am but a lonely drone.
Oh, well, I just got exploded.
Running, I'm running over here. Run. I got a
I got stuck inside the pillar. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Die.
Ah! No! Not like this.
I
No,
don't understand
not like
how to fight it sometimes.
Yeah, I don't know how to get out of this. Oh, okay, I tried.
Am I hitting him?
Yeah.
Didn't
I
stop
can't
me.
see him.
You just stand up.
Easy. This child's play. Yo, this game plays itself. Oh my god, it's
Try with the
free.
original?
Hey, that was mine! That was mine! I did all the work! I got a lot of any items with hits.
Like, shrink another position so that the last position.
Didn't realize you did the soundtrack to this game.
Yeah, I did.
Maybe we're in the.
All block damage heals you?
Hey! My ears are bleeding.
Sorry, I couldn't help it.
I'm $100 off. Would you pull the lever knowing that it would kill 5 people, but you got a guaranteed red item?
Whoa, calm down.
I know Rio would.
It's mine!